if you fail, you breach any of the code, you do what? Vacation of office or sit in the house and you lose your job, first and foremost. 2, you are disqualified from membership of the house and from holding any public office for a period of exceeding 10 years. So for that, most 10 years, you are not the public office. I have a question.
Yeah, sorry, that's what this slide just now. Extension of some people.
Yeah, the National Assembly exempted themselves and they can exempt, the only National Assembly have the power to exempt anybody from assembly generation. Only National Assembly. Only the National Assembly have the power to exempt anybody from asset declaration. Maybe that's what I can say, if you are level 10 to 12, not to 12 assets, not have that power. They can exempt anybody. They can say you don't declare your assets. Only you that power that you not declare. They can say Minister of Finance don't declare your assets. Not have that power. To exempt any public officer. And they exempted themselves from before.
Can we see that slide?
Go back. Exemption. Go back. This code is 14. Stop here. The National Assembly by law exempts any killer from the provision of the paragraph 4 and 11, submit to the Code of Conduct Bureau a written declaration of all its property, assets, and liabilities and those of his management under the age of 18. Yes. They can exempt anybody. Which one are you asking for?
Yes.
The next slide, the back 13. I think 14 too. Exemption. In affiliation of the public officer, members of the team house shall be exempt from the provision of the paragraph 4. They exempt themselves. In their own wisdom, they said they can have to pay position in public service at the same time. They made that law for themselves, and they have the power to do it. They did it. Let's go to the consequence. The last one there, forfeiture to the state of any property acquired in abuse or corruption in office. So if you cannot account for your wealth, you forfeit to the government, you lose it. That's it. But when you declare everything in your name, and when you cannot, we discover that is you have the property, like both kinds of ways on that declare. You have 10 buildings, you declare 5. If we find out, we take over the 5 and option it. If you have one car, you say I don't have, I will find out. The car will use the car because you are saying you don't have the car. Next slide. Then the judgment of the tribunal is the only prerogative to the exception to the prerogative of mercy provision. So even if you are found guilty, your father is the president, he cannot pardon you. He cannot. You remain guilty of the offense. Next slide. Then the code of conduct.
Sorry. The Attorney General has the right to enter another proceeding at any given point in time.
Yes.
Is that power extendable to the code of conduct proceedings?
Yes.
So, in the good books of the authorities, they don't need to wait until you are convicted. They stop the proceeding before it concludes.
And 2, not everybody is in the good book of president. So it should be the honesty is the best policy.
Yes, sir. Riding on that statement, you said the prerogative of mercy does not apply
to the tribunal judgments.
Okay, how do we please let me understand what happened to David and Joel Inyami?
They were not convicted by the tribunal.
Okay, they didn't go to the tribunal.
Yes. You know, most politicians will not go to tribunal. They will do everything possible to avoid the tribunal. The last time we saw them, they had 100 staff to defend themselves. And they don't have not the cases on technical ground. Most people will not go, most politicians will not go to tribunal. They will not. Because it's very difficult, if the consequence comes, very difficult to, I would like to put it. So they fail to go to tribunal. Then Code of Conduct Tribunal. The Code of Conduct Tribunal was established by paragraph 15, one of the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It serves as a disciplinary body for public officers accused of violating the Code of Conduct. The tribunal has authority to impose sanctions on public officers found guilty of misconduct as defined by the code. It serves as a court to the Code of Conduct Bureau, which enforces penalty against erring officers, which may include dismissal from office or disqualification from holding future position for a period not more than 10 years. So it's our court. And you have the right to take a lawyer to that place. You have the right. So most times you have enough evidence. The tribunal will invite you to come and defend yourself. Next slide.